We're going to make it simple. All right, now we have to add the references. This one will be Microsoft Expressions Encoder Screen Capture. Simple. Those are the four I use. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and define screen capture in itself. So down below public partial class, we're going to put private screen capture job and name the job whatever you want. I'm going to put mine on got you. See what I'm saying? Whatever you want to name the job. So you just got to remember that when you are defining the screen capture job itself, it's going to be got you. Or I can put, I'll use got you. I like that. That's simple. That's easy. All right. So we know that on our start button, button 1, we want start record. Don't worry about that. You haven't defined it yet. Right below that, we're going to put void. We'll define it. And it's got you, or whatever you want, equals new screen capture job. System drawing size. This is defining the working area. System information dot working area dot size. All right. No error. All right, rectangle. Capture rec. This is defining the working area itself by width of the screen size that it senses. Did that wrong. Give me just 1 second. Unpin this so we got more room to see what's going on. All right, 1 second. All right, so we're calling to it rectangle. We need working area. Then we'll put dash working area dot width That's your percentage there. And then working area height, same thing. But now we're just going to change it to height instead of width. Close it out. Got that. Everything's secure and taken care of. We're going to draw it down. Now we're going to get our job started. So this is where got you dot capture rectangle equals capture rect. Got you show, and this is as you can have the flashing boundary. You don't have to have the flashing boundary. This is totally up to you. So flashing boundary equals true. Show countdown. You don't have to have this in there if you don't want to. It's up to you. Some people might find it as an aggravation. Some people might like it, but you know, like I said. You make sure you want to add in capture your mouse. Where are you? Are you hiding? Capture mouse cursor equals true. Close it out. Got you. Now, you want to add in your audio devices so that you're able to speak and hear and so on and so forth. The clicks of your mouse, whatever's going on. So this is where we will define add audible sources. All right. We're going to go to audio devices. It's not defined yet. Don't worry about it. Got you. Now we want to be able to have an output path to the file we're creating. So let's create one. /. You can name it whatever you want to. We'll put it as close it out. Now you want to make sure that you got it to start. What good is it if it doesn't start? All that programming before it has no difference if it doesn't start. So now we want to define our audio devices. Encoder device found device equals null collection That's not what I wanted. Why do you do this to me, man? Encoder device. Now we get to call to our definables. Encoder devices dot devices encoder device. Did I get that in there? Device type. Audio. This error can be easily fixed using system collection object model. Boom, done. We need to try something. We're gonna try something. That's all it is, Grandma. We're just gonna try something. I'm having an issue here. So I do the same damn thing every time, man. Encoder device Sorry about that. Throw us a little catch in here so we know what we got going on. All right. Button 1, button 2. And this is we know we basically want to stop what we got going on. If we want to check to see if it's going first before we just kill it. There's the chances that it never started in the first place. Slight chances, just, saying, giving you the option. All right, we got that. All right, now, oh yeah, we want to make sure that it disposes of the job. If you decide not to press stop and you decide to click close instead, we want to make sure that we have a form closing. So follow my lead, and you see it right here. Click on your lightning bolt, form closing, and we're going to do form1 underscore form closing. Simple, done. And then it's going to create it for you. It's going to automatically throw it in your source. Once that, it's going to take you right over to it. And once you get there, you put if, same thing. Same thing. You want to check to see if the job is running. Same freaking thing, man. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. I killed it in 19 minutes. Hopefully it'll allow me to get it in there. If it doesn't, I'll